Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that App Store is not showing in their iPhone. And if your iPhone is also not showing App Store, then keep watching this video because today's video I'll tell you how you can solve this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So if your iPhone App Store is not showing, then first go to the app library to solve this problem. Now search for it by writing App Store in the top search bar. If the app appears, then bring it to the home screen. If it doesn't appear, then follow the next method. For this, go back to the home screen and open the settings application on your iOS device. In the settings menu, swipe down and tap on screen time. Then swipe all the way down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now switch on content and privacy restrictions and go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Then go to installing apps. Here, make sure installing apps is set to allow. As soon as you select it, the App Store will automatically appear on your home screen. So guys, you can see that the App Store has appeared. Method 2. Reset your iPhone's home screen layout. Guys, if even after trying this solution, the App Store still doesn't appear on your iPhone's home screen, then try the next method. For this, again go to the settings application. In the settings, swipe down and tap on general. Then scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Now tap on reset home screen layout. Now tap on reset home screen to confirm your action. So guys, this will rearrange all apps to their default positions, including the App Store. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.